Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. In today's video I wanted to compare the Nvidia Nemotron, which is a free model, with a Claude Code. Now Claude Code, yes, is the best for coding, but also I wanted to try this. So Nvidia Nemotron is a family of open models with open weights, training data and recipes, delivering leading efficiency and accuracy for building specialized AI agents, and we can found this Nemotron in the open code. Now to get the best of these two models, we have to play to their specific strength, because Claude is the current champion of one-shot coding and UI polish, while the Nemotron is a powerhouse for logical reasoning and following dense, complex constraints without drifting. For that, I have prepared prompts, and here is the Nemotron and here is the Claude prompt. And I have run them, both of them. Now, yes, the Nemotron is not very well for the front end. It's very good for the system design, for the backend, but for the front end and for Laravel, I think Claude is the best. So here's the Nemotron prompt. As a senior level architect, I need a technical blueprint and implementation for a multi-channel notification system. And yeah, technical constraints, framework Laravel 12. Now we have Laravel 13, but I just added 12 because 13 just released. Using the tile stack, Tailwind, Alpine, Laravel in Livewire, database design and migration for notification table that handles polymorphic notifiable types. Logic, use a custom service class to handle the dispatching logic to prevent controller bloating, and real-time implement the broadcasting portion using the reverb. Requirements, so provide a migration schema, write the notification class with two mail and two broadcast methods, and create the service class logic. Explain the why behind the architectural choices to ensure scalability. As you can see here, I don't added the prompt for frontend, because I have tried and that is not very good with Laravel and Livewire. For Claude, I just said I want to build a real-time notification bell component for a Laravel application, use a task stack and Laravel reverb for the backend. The goal, use a click bell icon in the navbar, which toggles a drop-down showing the last 5 notifications. On read, items should have a different background color. It must update in real time without a page refresh. Please provide a Livewire component class, the blade view with Tailwind CSS styling, the necessary JavaScript Alpine.js to listen to the broadcast, and a brief guide on broadcast channel setup in routes channel. And here is the project. This is the Claude example, and this is the Nemotron example. As you can see, I have asked different ways to add the Livewire component, but here we have an error, unable to find the notification bell component, and here we have the mentioned Livewire notification bell. But if I open the project, we have this Livewire notification bell component here, and also if I open the app, header, because here I think, yeah, here we have this Livewire notification bell, and then we have this error, unable to find the component, because this is not created with a PHP artisan make Livewire. So if I say PHP artisan make Livewire, and I'm going to name it notification bell. Okay, I'm going to hit enter, and now the Livewire component created and is inside the resources views components. Here, this is the notification bell. Now let me just copy what we have in here, and we need to put in here. Okay, we can save. And yeah, now we don't have the notifications here. And this is because the Nemotron have, if we go to app, HTTP, we have Livewire, and this is the Livewire class component. So this is not very good with Livewire, or maybe we need to specify more correctly to use the Livewire single file component. Instead, with the Cloud Code, we have something like this, and here we have the bell icon. Also, if I inspect the element and open, yeah, here is the bell icon, we can click, and we have right now 2 notifications. Let's just come here on the Cloud Code, and I'm going to say create 2 notifications, or we can create a user, but let's just say create 2 notifications. It's going to run the PHP design taker, execute, use app model user, 2 notifications created. And now if I come here, you can see we have this red pulse in here. And if I click, we have 2 notifications, which has a different color than the others who are read notifications, because the prompt was the goal the user click in the bell, which toggles a drop down with the last 5 notifications, and unread items should have a different background color. So the Cloud Code has done a very good job. Also, the Nemotron for the backend was very good, but for the frontend using the Livewire, maybe is not trained well with Livewire and Laravel. That's it, what I wanted just to show you in this video. An example with Nvidia Nemotron, which is a free model, was good, as I told you, for the backend, but not very good for the frontend, implementing that bell icon. Now, if you like such a videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, and see you in the next one. All the best.